What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy back, Python Burrow. I'm back here with that pickup I told everybody I was going to have in a few weeks. A little early. I went and picked it up myself. Pretty local guy. He's not too local. But it's awesome gene for the collection. It's an awesome deal. Couldn't resist. And here she is. Look at her. Let's see if I can get it focus. This Ultramel beauty. She is feisty. Come on, focus. Focus. Look at how beautiful she is. There you go. And she's got an attitude to match. She is just ready to go at me. Look how beautiful she is. Oh man, she's gorgeous. She is nasty. Oh my goodness. She is also Poshet Ghost, so if I got some other ghost or Ultramel Het ghost animals, can make some ultra glows, but we'll see what happens. Won't keep her too long. She seems like she's ready to throw down. Yeah, let me know what you guys think. Ultramel female. Trust me, this camera does not do her any justice whatsoever. Amazing. I would show you the whole thing, but she's probably gonna bite me a bunch. So hope you guys are having a great breeding season. I'd like to give a couple shout outs out. Boxing Boa, awesome guy, great channel, family man, does a lot for the reptile community, helps everybody out with different things, techniques. What else? We got Soul Healing Morphs. He still needs to be liked. He's got a lot of views the channel a lot, or not views the channel, but I mean he needs some subscribers. What else? Who else? Let me put her away. Cut her down. Tarantula Man NC. He's a awesome individual guy. Great person. Doing some breedings. Got a lot going on. Who else? Course Going Youper, Reese's Pythons. They got a great channel. He's got a great channel. I'm trying to just think of ones that I forgot last time. Great people. Serpentine Dream They got a lot of awesome stuff going on over there. Check them out. Awesome people. You know, Doug over at Hissy Fit Reptiles. All kinds of people. But yeah, go check everybody out. Python Burrow out.